So now we are going to solve this question, which is about the logarithms, simplifying logarithms. We are going to use two rules in here, which is moving the powers x, y. We can move these two powers before the logarithms as x over y times log base a of b. And then if you are multiplying two logarithms, for multiplication of logarithms, we have only one property, which is this one. If you are multiplying two different logarithms and if they have the same two numbers in these two places, you can simplify them and make them log base a of c. So then, firstly, writing them with powers. 1 over 25 can be made as 5 to the power of, it's 5 squared, and I want to make it without rational expression, just 5. So it should be 5 to the power of minus 2. Then you move it up to the numerator. And then 8 is 2 cubed. This is the first logarithm. And the second logarithm, 0.25, that means 25 over 100. If you simplify by 25, it will become 1 over 4, and 1 over 4, 2 to the power of. It's 2 squared, and since I want it into numerator part, 2 to the power of minus 2, we should write. Only in the base part, 2 to the power of minus 2. And 125 is 5 cubed. So then we are moving powers before the logarithms. Power 3 and minus 2 times log base 5 of 2. The powers are moved. And power 3 and minus 2 in here times log base 2 of 5. Now I realize that these two numbers are the same. That's why I need to move them next to each other. So to be able to show it to the teacher, which things are simplifying each other. That's why we are changing place of these two expressions. Since all of them like times and times and times, we can change places. 3 over minus 2 times the next number, 3 over minus 2. And then times this logarithm comes, log base 5 of 2. And then the other logarithm, log base 2 of 5. So now 3 times 3 makes 9, minus 2 times minus 2 makes positive 4. And then we can simplify these two of them. Then there will be log base 5 of 5, which is equal to 1. And then the final result is 9 over 4.